Good morning students, how are you all? I hope all are good. Today let us learn about the eclipse. Okay students, what is eclipse? Do you know something? Students, eclipse is a natural occurrence, natural phenomenon. Okay, means natural fact. Understand students? An eclipse occurs when a celestial body cannot be seen as it normally does for some time. कुछ देर के लिए one of the celestial body. Okay, we cannot able to see as normally. Okay, it is the eclipse. Okay, from the earth we can observe solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Okay, there are many eclipses, but from the earth we can see the solar eclipse and the lunar eclipse. Okay students, okay students, we already know that the earth rotates on its axis. Okay, then the earth goes around the sun. Rotation and revolution. In previous classes you learned already, na? Okay students, then as the moon goes around the earth. Okay, moon goes around the earth. Students, when we look at the sky in the night time, we can see the different phases of the moon. Half part of the moon, full moon. Okay students, means different phases of the moon is in the sky sometimes. Sometimes means always it is different part आ जाता है. Why? Because the moon goes around the sun. Its position keep changing. Okay, when we observe from the earth, we can see the different part of the moon. Okay students, understand? Okay, now let us come to the eclipse. Okay, solar eclipse. Okay, let us come to the solar eclipse. See, the moon, when the solar eclipse occurs, okay, the moon, earth and the sun are in a line. The sun, moon, earth are in a line when solar eclipse occurs. Understand students? Moon is in center. See, moon is in center. बीच में आ जाता है moon. Understand students? See, moon gets sunlight. Moon gets light from sun. Students, in previous class we already learned that. See, what about opaque object? When an opaque object comes in the path of the light, shadow forms. Okay, see, the moon comes in the middle part of the, means in the center part of the earth and the sun. Okay students, then this shadow falls on the earth. Okay, जब ये middle part में आ जाता है तो, okay, so the when this passing through the sun, passing through the orbit around the earth. Okay, when it comes in the middle part of the earth and the sun, what will happen? This shadow falls on the earth. Okay, see, moon blocks the sunlight and forms a shadow. Moon blocks the sunlight. Sunlight को moon block करता है. shadow हो जाता है. Understand students? Shadow कहाँ हो जाता है? Shadow falls on the earth. It is the solar eclipse. In this way, the solar eclipse occurs. Understand students? See, what about in the earth? The sunlight reduces. It became dark only for some time. Because the moon passing through the middle part. That is why. Understand students? Okay, we can observe it from the sun. Okay, from the earth. Understand students? In the area, the moon shadow, the moon appears and block the sun. It cannot be seen for some time. Okay, so this happens on new moon day. This happens on new moon day हो जाता है. Understand students? It is the solar eclipse. It is very easy, no? Okay. Now let us learn about the lunar eclipse. Okay. This is also in this same way, but some difference are there. Earth will come in the middle part because that is the difference. See, the moon, earth and the sun are in a line. Sun, earth, moon. Earth is in center. Okay. The earth is in the center part. Center part में earth आ जाता है. Understand students? The earth block the sunlight and forming a shadow. Okay, the earth blocks the sunlight and form a shadow. Understand students? See the moon. Okay, it does not look like a bright, it look like reddish. ये reddish में आ जाता है जब shadow when the shadow falls on the moon, it's look like reddish में आ जाता है, reddish color हो जाता है. Understand students? See, it happening in a full moon night. See, lunar eclipse happening in a full moon night, solar eclipse happening in a new moon day. New moon means full moon. Okay, it is happening in a new moon day, it is happening in a full moon night. Okay students, understands? This is the one of the difference. Then earth will come in the center in the case of the lunar eclipse. In the solar eclipse, moon will come in the middle part. Understand students? Earth shadow falls on the moon. Earth shadow of the earth falls on the moon. Can you able to understand students? Students, when the moon passes through the earth shadow, lunar eclipse occurs. See, जब moon है, lunar ये जो shadow है, okay students, earth shadow से जब जाता है तब lunar eclipse हो जाता है. Understand students? Because the moon goes around the earth. Okay, moon revolves the earth. On the way, this lunar eclipse is happening. Students, it is not happening in a month, rarely. Okay, it is happening only rarely. Understand students? कभी-कभी हो जाता है साल में, monthly नहीं आता है. Understand students? During the lunar eclipse, the moon does not look bright. See, during the lunar eclipse, the moon does not look bright. Okay students, it appears reddish, ये reddish color में आ जाता है. Understand students? But in the case of solar eclipse, in the earth part, it became dark, means it reduces. When the solar eclipse occurs, the part of the earth reduce the sunlight. Okay, reduce the sunlight and it became dark. But in the case of lunar eclipse, when the shadow of the earth falls on the moon, it became reddish. ये red color में आ जाता है, reddish आता है, reddish आ जाता है. Okay students, a lunar eclipse can be observed at all places where the moon has risen. Moon कहाँ दिख सकता है? हर जगह से दिख सकता है. Okay, eclipses do not occur every month but happen rarely. Okay students, it is very easy. Once again, I'll explain. Solar eclipse, the moon, see, sun, moon, earth are in a line. Moon is in the center part. Okay, moon blocks the sunlight and shadow forms. Okay, moon blocks the sunlight and shadow forms. Okay students, then what will in the area of the earth reduces sunlight, then it became dark. Understand students? When the solar eclipse occurs, okay, it is happening in a new moon day. Okay, moon shadow falls on the earth surface. Okay, it is the solar eclipse. What about lunar eclipse? Students, lunar eclipse, see, it is happening in a full moon night. Okay, the moon, earth and the sun, see, sun, earth and moon are in a line, in a one line में आ जाता है. Understand students? Earth will come in the center part. Earth is in center part. Understand students? The earth blocks the sunlight. And the shadow falls on the moon surface. Means moon cover हो जाता है. Okay, so it does not looks bright. It does not looks bright. It look like reddish. Understand students? But it appears reddish color में आ जाता है. Okay. Then earth shadow falls on the moon. Earth का shadow जब moon में आ जाता है, it appears reddish. Understand students? It happening in the full moon night. It is the difference between solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Students, try to draw this. Okay, and write the explanation also. Okay, good. Bye.